Good late afternoon, everyone in YouTube land. Welcome to Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Saturday, May 21st, 2022. We have an Operation Weather update right now, but before I tell you what it is, remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to the regular channel page on YouTube. We have over 300 videos on YouTube, like the garbage truck videos, holidays, occasions, and Operation Weather updates is what I'm doing right now. All galore at our regular channel page. Check it out. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube as well. We got over 700 train videos on YouTube, like the Norfolk Southern, CSX, OC&T. We'll be listening to the whistles in a few minutes. What else? Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, CUP, BNSF, Western New York, and BNP. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. All right, we have an Operation Weather update right now. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for north central Ohio, northeast Ohio, northwestern Ohio, and northwestern Pennsylvania counties until 10 o'clock tonight. This is also from almost 3 o'clock Eastern time. They just put it up about a couple of hours ago. So there's 24 counties in Ohio and also around Pennsylvania, all under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock tonight. Here's the cities. I'm going to try to read them all right now. That includes Akron, Alliance, Ashland, Asheville, Aurora, Austintown, Avon Lake, Banbridge, Boardman, Brunswick, Bucyrus, Burton, Canton, Cardington, Cary, Chardon, Chesterland, Cleveland, Conneaut, Crestland, East Lake, Elyria, Erie, Finland, Fostoria, Galion, Geneva, Harran, Kent, Kelsbuck, Lorien, Mansfield, Marion, Massillon, excuse me, Meadville, Media, or Media, excuse me, Medina, excuse me, Manchester, Meadowfield, Millersburg, Gilead, I don't know, Mount Vernon, Niles, North Ridgeville, Norwalk, Orville, Painesville, Ravenna, Richmond, Sandusky, South Russell, Streetsboro, Tiffin, Titusville's in this one, Upper Sandusky, Wadsworth, Warren, Wixliff, Willard, Willoughby. It's Lofby, or Lofby, excuse me, Wellowick, Worcester, and Youngstown, all on a severe thunderstorm warning, or watch, I should say. Here's the counties includes for this. Here's the counties. We have Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Huron, Knox, Lorraine, Marion, Morrow, and Richland. That's north central Ohio. Asheville, Cuyahoga, Geneva, Holmes, Lake, my own Medina, Portage, Stark Summit, Trumbo, and Wayne. That's all Ohio. Northwest Ohio said Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte. And in Pennsylvania's include Crawford and Erie. They're also saying might be Warren County too. Yeah, that Warren County, Crawford, and Erie are in this one too. All on a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 o'clock this evening. Yeah. Here's the forecast. Yeah. And then the rain possibility said thunderstorms should be likely after 8 o'clock tonight. Potential for severe thunderstorms. We had severe thunderstorms yesterday morning, but the National Weather Service didn't say anything about a severe thunderstorm watch or warning, but they didn't give us the special, or the Weather Channel didn't give us the special weather statement either. That's odd. So, don't see them every day. And then there's going to be another round of severe thunderstorms tonight and possibly tomorrow, but we'll see. So, yep. Here's the forecast for tonight. If I can find it. Here's the signs. The exclamation point said potential for severe thunderstorms tonight. Have plan and be prepared. Here's tonight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 63. Winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Yeah. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Showers likely after thunderstorms after the thunderstorm possible in the morning. There's a temperature change in this one. High supposed to be 69, but low supposed to drop into the 40s, or excuse me, in the 60s tomorrow. It said temperatures falling near 60 tomorrow afternoon. This is after the thunderstorm forecast tomorrow. Supposed to get close to 70 tomorrow, but supposed to start dropping in the afternoon, because tomorrow night they're saying low 44 under mostly cloudy skies. So, yeah. You don't see them every day. We don't see them. Yeah. And again, the thunderstorms possible after 8 o'clock tonight, as we mentioning, and it's supposed to end by 9, around 9.
Strong protection that's always discreet. Question your protection. Try always discreet.
Try now.
Ziploc is designed to store fresh dumplings.
I was listening in to Sarah Tong's today on Erie News Now. Said there might have some risks of severe weather in there too, and they said or might have isolated tornadoes, but most likely we probably won't see any tornadoes. It's just a severe thunderstorm watch only. If there's a severe thunderstorm warning, we'll let you know, but still and this is we had a couple of severe thunderstorm, or I'm sorry, a couple of videos of the severe thunderstorm watch on Monday. One was for Western Crawford County, Erie counties, and also around Ohio counties. And then the second time said and the second time they say it's for Eastern Crawford counties as well as Eastern Erie counties. Western Crawford, they don't say Titusville. They just say that includes like Meadville, Linesville, and Cambridge Springs. That's Western. Eastern includes Titusville, Hightown, Townville. They didn't say that. Or they did say Titusville in that, but they didn't say Townville or Hightown or anything. They usually don't do Titusville that much in severe thunderstorm watches in those years, but... And now they're saying not all Crawford County in this, yeah. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, it's what the operation thing. Yeah, they're supposed to have, didn't say, yeah, it was also watched, John Stalin also earlier today. It was on there last night about limited risk or slight risk for severe weather. They didn't say anything about marble risk, but severe thunderstorms are in play, not tornadoes or anything. I think it's John Stalin said they're not expecting any tornadoes or anything, just severe thunderstorms or something. So, yeah. No, they didn't say, I just want to see, did they say anything about thunderstorms? Or, I'm sorry.
Tim Hortons new avocado toast. So delicious, it's worth sharing. Creamy avocado spread, sourdough toast, and everything bagel seasoning. How you share is up to you. The new avocado toast. It's time for Tim's.
No, they didn't say No, they didn't say Hightown. No, they didn't say Hightown or Townville. They just said Titusville and Maidville. That's all I heard on there. I think that's all the Crawford counties I seen on there, other than, yeah. Well, other than Crawford counties, there's not just Pennsylvania, but North Central Ohio has Crawford and Erie County too.
It's businesses like them that really help our organization also thrive. So thank you.
Yeah. So, all right, we've been around for 18 minutes. So we'll probably get off again. Remember. Must be getting some pepperoni. What do you want? What? I can't remember. What was I saying? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, we've been around for 18 minutes. So we're gonna get off right now. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for North Central Ohio, Northeast Ohio, Northwestern Ohio, and Northwestern Crawford County, as well as, or I'm sorry, Northwestern County, Pennsylvania County, excuse me, until 10 o'clock tonight. This is from almost 3 o'clock. This is almost 3 o'clock, almost a couple hours ago. It'll be almost 3 hours ago here shortly. And so let's repeat real quick. I'm not going to get to the settings because I got to get off in case storage pops up, but we'll see. Includes Ashland. There's Erie and Crawford in Ohio and Pennsylvania. We also have Ashtabula, Geneva, Seneca, Hancock, Wyandotte, Lorraine and Knox. So we're gonna yeah, lot of cities includes between Ohio and Pennsylvania, yeah. But Titusville's in this alongside Meadville and Erie and Warren is all. I don't know if this Warren is Pennsylvania. Might be both Warrens, maybe. Between Warren, Ohio, and there's also a Warren, Pennsylvania, too. So, no. No, they didn't say Townville or Meadville or I'm sorry, Townville or Hightowne. They didn't say. They used to, but not anymore. So. I want to see what anybody else has any severe thunderstorms. I know we already know Crawford's in play. Oh, I'm going to get off right now. And thanks for joining us here on the regular YouTube channel on YouTube. And we'll talk to you guys. We got another Operation Weather update coming up. So let me get off and we'll get back on. We'll get back on with the next Operation Weather. Talk to you later. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit.